We now have a fairly good foundation of the basic configuration settings and terminology used in Lightroom. In this section of the course, we'll be importing a large volume of photos and working with all the organization and sorting methods that Lightroom offers. This includes building collection sets, collections, smart collections, and smart previews. We'll also be working with keywords, metadata, flagging, applying ratings, and color coding. The good news is that we've already created a catalog, which is the first step in the process. I'll go ahead and switch back to the catalog we created together earlier in this course. The catalog was catalog 1, so I'm just going to click on that. And Lightroom is going to ask me if I want to relaunch Lightroom with the catalog I just selected. So I do. You won't have to do this because you likely have this catalog loaded already. Before we get started, it's important to remember that Lightroom is a powerful tool for organization. Organization is actually one of Lightroom's primary functions when it comes to working with images. When you're starting out, using Lightroom for organization can feel like a complex undertaking. There are many tools at our disposal, but we need to know the difference between each one and how to use them effectively. By now, you should be familiar with the term catalog. We've been through a number of preferences and settings that are specific to setting up a catalog. We also know that we can and probably will at some point during your photography journey have multiple catalogs. When you're first starting out, you likely want to keep your workflow simple. Stick with one catalog and configure your preferences once to suit that catalog. With your main catalog created, you can sort photos from several different events in your life into what are known as collections. Think of a collection as a virtual folder within your catalog.